Hello everyone, in this video we shall be looking at how to perform an additional operation in an octal numbers. An octal numbers are numbers in base 8, and in an octal numbers we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. In order for you to perform an additional operation more easy in an octal numbers, we have to be familiar with this chart. 8 in base 10 is equals to 10 base 8. 9 in base 10 is equals to 11 in base 8. 10 in base 10 is equals to 12 in base 8. 11 in base 10 is equals to 13 in base 8. 12 in base 10 is equals to 14 in base 8. Let's look at some examples. We have 1016 in base 8 plus 4011 in base 8. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 in base 8 is 0, remainder 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 in base 8 is 2. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 in base 8 is 0. 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 in base 8 is 5. 4 in base 8. Let's look at more examples. We have 4317 in base 8 plus 7251 in base 8. 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 in base 8 is 1, remainder 0, right? 0, carry 1, 1. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 in base 8 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 5, and 5 in base 8 is 5. 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 in base 8 is 3. 1 remainder 3. Right, 3, carry 1, bring it down. 13570 in base 8. Let's look at more examples. We have 3073 plus 7724, all in base 8. In base 8, we have 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 in base 8 is 7. 2 plus 2 is 9. 9 in base 8 is 1, remainder 1. 0 plus 7 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 in base 8 is 0, 1, remainder 0. Take it to the next one. You have 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 in base 8 is 1, 13, 1, remainder 3. Right? 3, carry 1 to the next one. You bring it down. You have 13017, all in base 8. Thank you for watching.